To integrate Semrush projects, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Projects tab. Here, you will find a list of all your existing projects, as well as the option to create a new one. Click on the Create a New Project button and enter the domain name of the website you want to analyze. Next, select the type of audit you want to perform, such as a technical audit, content audit, or backlink audit. You can also set up custom audits to suit your specific needs. Once you have selected the audit type, click on the Start Audit button to begin the analysis. Semrush will then crawl your website and gather data on various aspects, including technical issues, content quality, and backlink profile. You can view the progress of the audit in real time and receive notifications when it is complete. After the audit is complete, you can view the results in the project dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of the issues found, as well as recommendations for improvement. You can also drill down into specific areas, such as technical issues or content gaps, to get a more detailed view of the issues and recommendations. To take action on the recommendations, you can assign tasks to team members or create a to-do list. You can also track the progress of the tasks and receive notifications when they are completed. In addition to the audit tools, Semrush projects also integrate with other Semrush tools, such as keyword research and competitor analysis. This allows you to get a complete view of your website's performance and identify areas for improvement. Best practices for integrating Semrush projects include setting up regular audits to monitor your website's performance over time, tracking the progress of tasks and recommendations, and using the data to inform your SEO strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Semrush projects and improve your website's performance.